kinakailangan there should be a law which specifically prescribes the restriction on the right to travel of Filipinos provided there is a specific law. So when you say law, Sir Sito, ito po ay very clear sa Constitution, law enacted by Congress. So ibig sabihin po, in order for an entity to restrict limit the right to travel of Filipinos, kinakailangan po merong batas at hindi lang po ordinansa. Ordinansa may be considered as local legislation but it is not a law which is specifically provided for by Congress. So puntuhin po natin yon. O, sabi natin, may public health issue, may public safety issue, maaaring national security issue, but is there a law presently? Ako po with all due respect, kaya nga po binuksan ko yung aking statement dun sa pagsasabi na napaka-obedient ng Filipino, respectful, discipline ng Filipino, because it would appear right now, Sir Sito, na mukha pong pasensya na po, mukhang wala po kasing law. The closest that I can think of at this point, Sir Sito, is yung pong 11469, Republic Act 11. Ano po yung 11469? Yan po yung Bayanihan to Heal as One Act. Na kung saan binigyan ng kapangyarihan ng ating Pangulo at na mag-declare ng national emergency. At in fact, dineclare po ang national emergency doon sa mismong batas na yon. Subalit, limited po yung binigay na power sa Pangulo and at the same time, limited po yung effectivity nung batas na yon, Sir Sito. The law itself, under the last portion, yung effectivity says that this law shall take effect from June 25 actually, from March 25 to June 24 only. Kaya kung napansin niyo po, nung bago mag-June 24, sobra yung panawagan na dapat magkaroon ng another law, dapat magkaroon ng part 2, yung tinatawag na Bayanihan to Heal as 1-2. Kaya lang po hindi po yun napasa. And therefore po, technically po, all acts prohibited under 11469, all powers given to the President under 11469, especially emergency powers, ay nabaliwala na po dahil po nag-expire yung pong 11469 as of June 24, 2020. So ngayon po, anong ginagamit ngayon? Unfortunately po, siguro po yung mga iba-ibang maliliit nating batas but not specifically to limit and restrict the right of the people to travel. So pag po talagang pinag-isipang mabuti, and if somebody may perhaps question that before the Supreme Court, and it would appear that all of these actions may seem to be unconstitutional because of the absence of a law which under the Constitution should limit or restrict the right of the people to travel because of public safety, public health, and national security. No issue, Sir Sito, no issue. Gusto ko lang pong liwanagin, lalo-lalo na sa official dome. No issue po, we have a public health problem. It is a public safety problem, and may sabi ko nga national security problem. But there should really be a specific law. Sana po naipasa kaagad on time yung Bayanihan to Heal as one act. And therefore, paano mo i-charge ang isang tao kung halimbawa going from one place to another? What will be the basis? Pag hindi paglalagay ng mask, hindi po dahil sa batas yun, dahil sa mga local ordinances. Kung napansin nyo rin po, sinabi ni Secretary Anyo, Sir Sito, nasabi niya maganda yung lahat ng mga LGU magpasa ng batas na magpuprohibit sa mga individuals na umikot-ikot ng walang face mask. Yung po yung magpapanish sa kanila but not any other violation. And so therefore at this point po medyo nasa shaky ground yung ginagawa ng mga law enforcement authorities natin kung pag-uusapan natin ng Constitution, because somebody, especially somebody who will be charged, somebody who will be accused, can always raise the matter to the Supreme Court. Before po, bago nag-expire yung Bayanihan to Heal as one act, yung unang part, I can honestly say, may basis. May basis po ang law enforcement, may basis ang government to impose lockdowns, to impose quarantines, to arrest individuals because of the so-called emergency crisis. Pero after po noon, na walang batas, teka po muna, ano po yung basihan natin ngayon para pag-aarestuhin o ipagbawal ang isang tao sa pag-ikot-ikot? Even localized lockdowns, Sir Sito, may be questioned. Kasi yung basis ng UR to prevent people from traveling or from going from one place to another, it's a constitutional right. Constitutional right po. Isipin niyo po sa classification ng rights, number 6 siya. Section 6 of the Bill of Rights under Article 3 ng Constitution. So ganyan pinapahalagahan po yung right of abode and right to travel ng ating mga mamamayan. At maja-justify nga lang yan doon sa dalawang bagay na binanggit ko. So, yung local government ba ay pwedeng mag-justify nung dalawang bagay na yon? Eh mukha pong doon sa pangalawa, yung there should be a law, must be prescribed by a law. The mere order of a mayor, even the local ordinance may not be enough because it may not be classified as a law which is enacted by Congress. So yun lang po yung sa akin. Sana naman po maligtasan natin itong pandemya na ito nang walang nagke-question. Kaya lang po, alam nyo po kasi, kaya nga dapat maging maingat din ang ating national government na sana maisipan nila, bakit nga ba hindi na lang tayo magpasa ng isang batas sa kasalukuyang kaagad? ASAP, total naman, nasa pandemya tayo. Para din protektado po ang mga local officials. Para din po protektado ang mga law enforcement authorities natin. Kasi po otherwise, baka maya-maya sila mismo ma-file ng kaso. Because how can you, alam po natin yan, Sir Sito, there is a principle in law. There is no crime if there is no law punishing it. So, hanap po ba tayo ng provision ng kahit na revised penal code para may ma-file lang ng violation? So, my point is, this is a pandemic situation and there should be laws concerning the pandemic in order to declare a public health emergency, and therefore this law can now be used to restrict the right of the people to travel. But not just an ordinary ordinance. Kasi po, sabi nyo nga, Sir Sito, napakahirap doon. Sa lugar na ito, bawal. Sa isang lugar na ito, pwede. Paano po yun? Hindi pwedeng umikot dito, pero yung mga tao dito sa kabila, pwedeng mag-ikot-ikot. So pag pumunta na siya po dito, pagbabawalan na siya. So, kinakailangan national law po yun, enacted by Congress so that it will be made applicable to all parts of the country, not only localized. So meaning the localized lockdowns, quarantines being imposed right now may be seriously questioned